Hello there, my name is Maxime Gédéon Janvier. I'm having some serious problem with using the Libre, formerly known Libre Design, and I currently using version 14, I believe. Anyway, that's the one on the Geomatic Design 2014 version. Because I've had so many issues, the system, or I should say the software, keeps crashing all the time. And I had opened a case regarding the situation. Apparently, no one has been able to resolve it. I have not gotten back anything from the company. And although I had tried to contact them a couple of times, and I communicated with one of their technical support staff members, and it told me to reproduce it. But I explained to them exactly what happened. Apparently, they could not do anything about it until they closed the case. Now, I'm going to try to videotape a simple sketch to show exactly what's going on, and hopefully that will help you determine how to solve the problem or to remove that bug. Okay, here we go. And then I don't know if I don't think it has to do with my system because my other software are not crashing when I'm using them. Okay, here we go. I'm going to open a sample part that I've already built. Now, as you can see, this sample part is nothing extraordinary. Okay, now let's say I want to put one hole. Let's say I want to put one hole right here between these two existing holes. Okay, now all I would have to do is to go and, okay, sorry, I almost jumped on my camera. Anyway, so you see, I want to Design Explorer, and then I want to edit the sketch. Okay, now go back to the part where I want to place the hole. Now first let's select the circle tool. Okay, I'm selecting the circle tool right here. Okay, here, and then I'm moving right here. Now it should be, you see the way I have the reference line that tell me the reference line, exactly those two reference lines, one vertical, one horizontal. Okay, it should tell me exactly where I should place the circle so it can line up with the other existing holes. But if I do that, guess what? It's going to crash. I'm going to show you. Now before I draw it, because I know it's going to crash, let me move it away from the other holes. Okay, now I have to move it off center somewhere here. And I place it. Okay, now I'm placing the circle. You see, the circle can be created. Okay, and then what I have to do is try to move it right here, and then, okay, go to the toolbar, use the reference line tool. You see, I'm using the reference line tool right here to draw a line between the two circles. Okay, sorry. Okay, and then move this circle that I just created to the reference line so that it can be lined up with the other existing hole. Okay, now, and let's generate the feature and see what happens. See, it works, no problem. Now, let's say that now I want to have another circle on top of the circle like you've seen on the other PC. Okay, I want to have another circle. Okay, let's say I do that. Let me see. Now I have to make sure, in order for me not to lose my work, to quickly save it. See, I'm saving it. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, I'm selecting, you may not see it, but I'm selecting the toolbar. I'm sorry, the circle. Okay, from the toolbar. Now, I'm clicking here again. This is where I want to open the circle. Now, if I want my circle to be, oh, I'm sorry, let me have to go and edit and put it in the edit mode, the sketch that I'm trying to modify. Okay, okay, good. I'm the edit mode now. Okay, now just I'm selecting the tool right here. I'm coming down. You see, boom. Now if I go and try to place the circle here, okay, now it will work because the circle is already there. Boom. Let me do that. Okay, it works. Now, let's say what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this circle as if it never existed before. I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna edit again. Let's go to the edit, and then, okay, I'm gonna remove the circle. I'm cleaning the circle. Okay. 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 Now let's go. Selecting again the circle tool, and then I come back. Here you see, as you can see the reference line here. Now if I start the circle right now, there's a chance it's gonna crash. Let's try it. Okay? Boom. It crashes. Exactly. So I'm talking about. That means to do my work, I have to move away from the reference line, draw the circle and bring it back like you've seen that I did before in order for it to not to crash, and I have to quickly save it, because if I forget to save